Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss a question that I often get asked by business owners. Should I host my own workshop, and is it the right strategy for me? If you haven't met me yet, my name is Petra. I am the founder of Collab Events. I'm an event manager, business strategist, and I specialize in teaching entrepreneurs, businesses, and influencers how to host successful and profitable events. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, and if you want to learn more about hosting your own strategic events, consider subscribing. All right. You're most likely in a position where you've started considering hosting a workshop. Maybe you've been to a few workshops yourself and you thought to yourself, this looks like a fun way to grow my business. Maybe you've had a couple of business friends or entrepreneurs in your industry host successful workshops, or maybe you're just super excited to grow your business and wanting to try something new. Trust me, I get it. Although I'm an event manager, I've hosted many events for others. Before I hosted my first own workshop, I was going through all of the emotions. As with any new strategy, we're likely to get really excited when we start thinking about it, but then we slowly pick the idea apart. Our brain will provide us with all of the reasons not to go ahead with this new idea. Often to keep us safe, and with safe I mean comfortable, even if that means that we won't grow, even if it means keeping us from something that we actually really enjoy. When I get asked, should I host a workshop for my business, I normally ask my clients these 3 questions. The first question, are you someone that genuinely likes the idea of connecting with your clients in person or online? You don't have to be an outgoing person, an extrovert, or an experienced speaker to host incredible workshops. However, you must be someone who genuinely likes the idea of connecting and helping others, even if it makes you a little nervous. I was super nervous the first time I hosted my workshop, but it felt so amazing knowing that I'd been able to help people in my community and my audience to move forward. The next question is, are you willing to take the actions needed to launch and host your workshop? This might seem like a straightforward question, but you won't believe how many people that want certain things in life, but they're just not willing to do the work to get it. Hosting your first workshop does not have to be expensive or complicated. However, there's certain things that you will have to do to get it off the ground. Although planning is an important part of business and events, getting stuck at this level won't take you anywhere. Only if you're willing to do the work necessary, take the actions required, you will actually see the incredible benefits of hosting events for your business. If you're not willing to do the work, then this is probably not the strategy for you. Question number 3, are you able to provide your audience with some sort of transformation or experience that they're looking for and are willing to pay for? Your attendees will attend your event for a reason. If you're able to identify this reason, you will find that filling your event with dream clients does not have to be that hard at all. Whether the reason is to connect with like-minded people, overcoming a fear, learning a new skill, or just discovering something new about themselves. For example, if you're a marketing agency, you could host a workshop on how to do your own social media marketing, or maybe learning the basics of SEO. If you're a real estate agent, you could host a workshop teaching people how to grow the property portfolio. Or if you're a life coach, you could teach people how to overcome the most common limiting beliefs. Workshops can be so beneficial to so many different industries, as either your core service or as a lead magnet, introducing people to what you do and how you can help them. If you've answered yes to all of the questions above, then what are you waiting for? It's time to start planning your first workshop. Let me know in the comments below if you're feeling motivated and if you are planning to host your own workshop. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.